Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make connections to a stairway lighting system with motion sensors. If you are unsure, please contact an electrician to make these connections. The products which I used in this video can be found in the description of the video. I will present the connections on a model. In the first phase I will draw them with colorful marker, and then I will make connections with electric cable. In the presentation I will use 2-step lamp LED and 2-rip motion sensor. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Be careful, you must adhere to the colors, blue to be the phase labeled with L. Black is null and is marked with N, and red is the phase that comes out of motion sensors and feeds the lights. On the side of the sensor we have two operating settings, ambient light and time delay. To see how it works I will minimize it, and to not feel the motion sensor I will use two metal caps. Thanks for watching. And do not forget, like and subscribe.